Imagine making up to $600 a day by simply entering names online. It's not a fantasy, it's a reality. Visualize yourself earning $20 for each entry, $100 for completing 5 pages, and an incredible $400 a day for handling 20 pages of names. The best part? There are no limits. The more you type, the more you earn. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First and foremost, we encourage you to check out talentdesire.com, a website that offers opportunities to work from home and make money online without any upfront costs. There's no need for any investment to get started. On this platform, you'll find various work-from-home jobs, including online paid surveys, freelance blogging, language translation, and online proofreading. However, in this video, we'll focus on online typing jobs because they are one of the simplest tasks and don't require any technical expertise. This opportunity presents the potential for an annual income ranging from $13,500 to $27,000, making it an excellent choice for people worldwide to earn money. It's a truly global opportunity, and as for costs and membership fees, rest assured that registration is entirely free. You won't be asked for any payments before or after joining. It's a commitment-free opportunity. However, your earnings will vary depending on your skill level, from beginners to experts. Surprisingly, even beginners can earn at the expert level. We'll reveal a strategy shortly that will help you achieve higher pay rates. Now here's a tip that could boost your earnings by merely entering names online. Visit ratatype.com and take a free typing test by clicking on the yellow icon. You'll be directed to a screen where you can start typing on your computer or mobile device. We strongly recommend taking this test because our platform will provide you with a valuable certificate upon passing. Having a typing certificate can significantly increase your job prospects and earnings per page, which is why it's crucial. We'll show you how to obtain this certificate for free in this video. The best-kept secret is that processing a typing certificate can fast-track your acceptance, open doors to higher-paying opportunities, and provide you with unlimited career possibilities. For instance, if you aim to earn $20 per page for typing, having the certification is a must. Consequently, by entering names alone, you could potentially make $4,400 or even $600 every day. Pay close attention to discover precisely how to obtain the certificate and apply on talentdesire.com. They'll start evaluating your words per minute speed and accuracy as soon as you begin typing on their platform. You'll need this certification, so keep watching to learn how to get it quickly and at no cost in less than 5 minutes. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. When you've completed your typing, you'll see a graph displaying your typing speed. Even if your accuracy or speed is below 98%, you can retake the free typing test on ratatype.com until you achieve a better score. To create a free account, click on the provided link and enter your name, email address, and password. After obtaining your results, proceed to click on this button. It will direct you to the registration page. Click the yellow Sign Up button, accept the terms and conditions, then provide your name and password once more. Upon registration, you'll access your Ratatype account, displaying your name and the results for typing accuracy and speed. There's also your certificate, which you can find by scrolling down. Clicking on it will take you to a page confirming that it was awarded for your English typing proficiency, complete with ratatype.com signature. This certificate is a powerful tool for validating your typing skills and can lead to substantially higher earnings. So, continue watching to discover how to register, apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, and start receiving typing assignments like the one shown here. If you scroll down, you'll find a button to save the certificate image or save it as a PDF file, which you can do on your computer or mobile device. As you can see, we obtained this certificate for free from ratatype.com. With this certification, you'll be eligible to apply for the job. In the next step, let's visit talentdesire.com and scroll down to the top of the page. Click on the red Apply Now button, which will take you to the application page. Upon receiving this page, scroll down to view the available applications. Choose one and click the red link to access the online work from home application. Find the Apply and Work for Us red link towards the bottom of the page by scrolling down. If you can't locate the registration page, consider revisiting the video or bookmarking it for future reference. As you scroll down, you'll notice that you need to provide personal information, agree to privacy statement, and then enter your first and last name, email address, and phone number. You can see that talentdesire.com welcomes participants from around the world, including India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United Kingdom, the United States, Pakistan, and other countries. You can select your preferred payment method, whether it's PayPal, Payoneer, or direct deposit, and specify your current employment status, which can be self-employed among others. After accepting the terms, don't forget to sign your name. To verify that you're not a robot, click Submit. Once your application is approved, you'll start receiving typing tasks like this one shown, where you can earn $20 for typing just 300 words on one page. You'll continue earning $20 for each additional page you type. To continue receiving daily assignments, be sure to submit your work on time. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!